In this video, how to delete Robinhood account. I will show you step by step how to delete your Robinhood account. First, open the Robinhood app on your phone or go to the Robinhood website. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, make sure your account balance is 0. If you have money in your account, you need to transfer it. Go to the section called Transfers. Select the option to send the money to your bank account. Wait for the transfer to complete. Now make sure you do not have stocks or cryptocurrency. If you have investments, you need to sell them first. Open the Investments tab and select the asset. Click the Sell option to sell the investment. Confirm the sale and wait for the process to finish. After that, return to the main account menu. Tap the profile icon at the top of the screen. Now find the option called Settings. Inside Settings, click Account Information. Now find the option called Deactivate Account. Click this option to start the process. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. Confirm the request to finish. Your account will be deleted after confirmation. This is how you can delete your Robinhood account easily.